Soundtoys have surprisingly released SpaceBlender, which is a new reverb plugin, which if you look at it, it just looks awesome. And the thing about it is it's absolutely free if you get it before the 22nd of May. So after this video is done, don't waste any time. Go to their website and download this beauty. So the best thing to do is for me just to quickly show you guys what it does and why it's a little bit different to a normal reverb. So let's just go ahead and listen to it on a drum beat like this. So I've got the 1985 preset going. Let's just put that on. And just change the time. So the time will be a bit shorter here. We can make it longer. So this is basically making things go slower or faster. So this whole time concept is pretty good. And also you can sync it to the DAW just by pressing sync. The more time you add, the more it would sync. You've got the warp option as well. You can see here as you move in, and you can actually use your mouse here to actually sculpt the reverb. Let's add a bit of modulation. So this is more of a dynamic modulation. And go down to mix. So you can reduce the mix there. And if you like a certain sweet spot, click on freeze. We'll listen to it on a bass track like this. Let's add a bit of warp here. You can imagine automating this, how good this would sound. Let's add it to this guitar track. Let's just use the mouse to sculpt the location of the imaginary space. Let's go into the presets here. We can actually have a reverse sound sweep. Let's try another preset. Let's try a decay preset. So this thing just literally plays with time, and that's the difference between this and a convolution reverb. It's looking at the time it takes for things to sweep through, for the reverb to sweep through. I think it's cracking.